Hello, listeners. Welcome back to another episode of Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today is a very special episode. It is a very important episode.
Yes, Leo. Today we are talking about your health. We are talking about going to the doctor.
Being sick is not fun. Being sick in a different country where people speak a different language is scary.
It can be very scary, but do not worry. Today we will learn simple words to tell the doctor how you feel.
You will learn to say what hurts. You will learn to understand the doctor.
Are you ready to learn? Let's unlock our English together.
First, let's think about our body. We need to know the names of our body parts.
Leo, what is the most common problem people have? Maybe stress?
Yes, stress. And stress often gives us pain in the head. This is our first key word, headache.
Headache.
A headache is a pain inside your head. It hurts.
Imagine you work all day at the computer. Your eyes are tired. Your head feels heavy. That is a headache.
Or maybe you did not drink enough water. You have a headache.
Note the sound, headache. The CH sounds like K. Headache.
Let's look at examples. I need to sleep because I have a headache.
Please be quiet. My father has a bad headache.
Listeners, please repeat with me. Headache.
Headache.
Good job. Now, let's move down the body. What about the part where our food goes?
That is the stomach. And when it hurts, we use our second key word, stomachache.
Stomachache.
A stomach ache is pain in your belly or tummy.
Maybe you ate too much candy. Now you have a stomachache.
Or maybe you ate old food. You feel sick in your stomach.
Note the sound, stomach. The CH sounds like K, stomach.
Let's see examples. The baby is crying because he has a stomachache.
I cannot eat dinner. I have a stomachache.
Listeners, repeat with us. Stomachache.
Stomachache.
Excellent. Now, sometimes you do not have pain, but your body is very hot.
Yes, you touch your forehead and it feels like fire. This is our next key word, fever.
Fever.
Fever means your body temperature is high. You are too hot because you're sick.
When you have the flu, you usually have a fever.
Doctors always check for fever.
Here are examples. He cannot go to school today. He has a fever.
Drink lots of water if you have a fever.
Listeners, try this word. Repeat. Fever.
Fever.
You are doing great. Now, Leo, sometimes we feel pain in the throat. It hurts to speak. It hurts to eat.
Oh, I hate that feeling. That is our next key phrase, sore throat.
Sore throat.
Sore means painful or sensitive. Throat is the inside of your neck.
When you have a cold, you often have a sore throat. Your voice sounds strange.
Like this. Hello, I have a sore throat?
Exactly. Let's look at examples. I need hot tea for my sore throat.
Aishi is wearing a scarf because she has a sore throat.
Listeners, repeat the phrase, sore throat.
Sore throat.
Very good. Now, Leo, we need to talk about grammar for a moment. It is simple grammar. Do not worry.
Yes. Did you notice we used the words I have?
I have a headache. I have a fever.
I have a sore throat.
But there's another way to say you are in pain. You can use the verb hurt.
This is our next keyword. It hurts.
It hurts.
We use it hurts to point to a specific place.
For example, if you fall and hit your arm, you say, "My arm hurts."
If you play soccer and kick the ball too hard, you say, my foot hurts.
So, "I have a headache" is the same as "my head hurts."
Exactly. I have a stomachache is the same as my stomach hurts.
Let's practice "it hurts" with examples. Don't touch my arm. It hurts.
I walked for 5 hours. Now my legs hurt.
Listeners, repeat this useful phrase. It hurts.
It hurts.
Wonderful. Now, you tell the doctor your problem. What does the doctor give you?
The doctor gives you something to help you feel better. This is our final keyword, medicine.
Medicine.
Medicine can be a pill, a liquid, or a cream. You take it to stop the sickness.
You buy medicine at the pharmacy.
Here are examples. The doctor gave me medicine for my cough.
This medicine tastes like strawberries.
Listeners, repeat the word, medicine.
Medicine.
Okay, Leo, we have our words. Headache, stomachache, fever, sore throat, it hurts, medicine.
I think it is time for a role play.
Yes, let's pretend. I am the doctor, you are the patient.
Okay, I am coming to your office. Good morning. I am Dr. Charlotte. How are you feeling today?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a bad headache. My head hurts very much.
I see. Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, a little bit. I have a sore throat too.
Okay, let me check your temperature. Oh, you are very hot. You have a fever.
I thought so. I feel very tired.
And does your stomach hurt?
No, my stomach is okay. No stomach ache.
That is good. It sounds like you have a bad cold or the flu.
What can I do, doctor?
You need to sleep and drink water, and you need to take some medicine.
Okay.
Take this medicine 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
End of role play. How was that, Charlotte?
That was perfect, Leo. You explained your symptoms very clearly.
And you were a very kind doctor.
Listeners, did you hear the words? Leo said, "I have a headache," and "my head hurts."
And Charlotte asks about a fever and gave me medicine.
You can do this too. If you're sick, just take a deep breath. Remember these simple words.
Point to the pain and say, it hurts here. Or say, I have a headache. The doctor will understand you.
It's normal to be nervous, but doctors want to help you.
Let's do a quick review before we finish.
Okay. Headache. Pain in the head.
Stomachache, pain in the belly.
Fever. When your body is hot.
Sore throat, pain when you speak or eat.
It hurts. The verb to describe pain. My leg hurts.
Medicine, what you take to get better.
I hope you all feel healthy today, but now you are ready if you get sick.
Charlotte, do you have a motivational thought for our listeners?
I do. It is about listening to your body.
Please share it.
The quote is, "Your body is your home. Listen to it, take care of it, and it will take care of you."
That is beautiful. If your body says rest, please rest.
Exactly. And if your brain says learn English, please listen to our podcast.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends.
Stay healthy and see you next time.
Bye-bye.